I've been seeing these magic water candles all over Pinterest, so today I'm going to show you how you can make one. Start by getting a candle jar and filling the bottom with basically whatever you want. I'm using seashells and glitter, but you can also add beads or even dried flowers. Give it a shake to mix it up, then fill it 2/3 of the way with water. Light a candle and melt some wax in a small aluminum cup. Then, place a candle wick over the water and pour the melted wax right on top of the water. Repeat this until you've covered the entire top with a layer of wax approximately 1 centimeter thick. Wait for the wax to harden completely, then cut off the excess candle wick. This magic water candle won't spill at all even if you shake it, and you can watch all of the seashells and glitter float around in the water like a snow globe.